Yo guys, got another video. If you didn't watch my last fire starter, I'm using the UST fire cord. Here's what it looks like. But the flint I'm gonna be using is this Zippo one. This is what it looks like. It does come with its own little things to light fires. Changeable flints. I'm gonna buy some more flints and put them in here. But I wanted to try this striker out real quick for you guys. See how good this works. Okay guys, let me fluff this up a little bit more. So now I got it all fluffed up. So maybe that fire cord ain't no good for it. We'll try one of the things that came with. At least I'm having struggle with it. Take the Bear Grylls survival knife. See, this fluffed out does anything better. Oh yeah, so this product is definitely made for the things that it comes with. That was first try watch. Let me refluff this out a little bit right here. So, fire cord, we'll try it again. Definitely like the stuff that it comes with. Take a little piece of it. Looks like that big chunk would burn for a long time. You could just take some of this and repack it back in there, put it back in the tube. That's what I'm going to do with it once you get your fire going. But yeah, with the actual little cylinders it comes with, it's actually pretty nice. I am going to try later on getting this started after the video. But yeah, with these, pretty nice to start fires with. No problems. But thank you for watching. Here's another video on the Zippo fire starter. Another thing to add to the kit. So, nice and lightweight, and it's a fire starter. So, perfect. Thank you for watching, guys.